This video will explain what is UPI fraud and how Google Pay detects it. First, we will see what is UPI. UPI is a fast and easy payment system that connects your bank account to apps like Google Pay. Because money moves instantly, scammers try to trick users to steal money. This is called UPI fraud. Understanding how these scams work and how Google Pay detects them help you to stay safe. What is UPI fraud? UPI fraud is when someone tricks you to sending money or giving your private information through UPI. The scammer does not hack your bank account. Instead, they manipulate you into making a mistake. Now we will see common types of UPI fraud. First one is fake payment request. Scammers send collect request asking you to approve the payment. If you accept it, your money goes to them. Second one is QR code scams. Scammers ask you to scan the QR code to receive money. Scanning a QR code only for sending money, not receiving it. Third one is fake customer support calls. Fraudsters pretend to be Google Pay or bank staff and try to get your UPI PIN, OTP, or card details. Fourth one is phishing links. Scammers send fake links claiming you want cashback, rewards, or need to update Google Pay. Fifth one is wrong number scams. Scammers pretend they received money by mistake and try to pressure you into sending money back. In all these tricks, the scammer tries to make you to enter your UPI PIN or approve something that you should not. Now we will see how Google Pay detects UPI fraud. Google Pay has many built-in safety systems to protect users. These systems looks for unusual behavior and warn you if something seems unsafe. We will see how it works. First one is suspicious activity detection. Google Pay monitors unusual actions like new device used suddenly, too many failed PIN attempts, payments to unknown or risky accounts, requests from suspicious sources. If something looks unsafe, Google Pay may block the transaction or show the warning. Second one is fraud warning messages. When Google Pay notices a risky situation, it displays warnings like this payment request looks suspicious, do not share your UPI PIN, do not scan QR codes to receive money. These warnings are meant to stop you from getting tricked. Third one is verified business badges. Google Pay marks the trusted companies with a verified badge. If an account has no badge or looks incomplete, then it may not be safe. This helps you to identify real businesses and avoid fake ones. Fourth one is payment name confirmation. Before you send money, Google Pay shows you the receiver name. This helps you to confirm if you are paying to the right person. If the name looks wrong, Google Pay expects you to cancel. Fifth one is auto blocking of fraud accounts. If Google Pay detects many complaints or unusual activity from an account, it may disable or limit that account to protect others. Sixth one is secure device and app checks. Google Pay checks if your device has screen lock, updated app version, normal usage pattern. If something looks unsafe, it may block payments until safety measures are added. Seventh one is encryption and secure communication. All transactions are protected with secure encryption, which means your data cannot be read by others while being transferred. This protects your information from being stolen during payments. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.